F-22 Raptor vs. Su-57 Felon, complete comparison. New line. Opening shot. New line. Two fighter jets, the American F-22 Raptor and the Russian Su-57 Felon, soar through dark clouds at hypersonic speeds, facing each other. The camera zooms in on both. New line. When it comes to modern aerial warfare, two jets dominate the discussion, the American F-22 Raptor and the Russian Su-57 Felon. Both are fifth-generation stealth fighters, but which one is superior? Let's find out. New line. Part 1, Background and Development. New line. Footage, early flights of the F-22 and prototype tests of the Su-57. New line. The F-22 Raptor was developed by Lockheed Martin in 1997 and officially entered service in 2005. It was the world's first fifth-generation stealth fighter, designed for air superiority. New line. Close-up of the Su-57. New line. On the other hand, the Su-57 Felon is Russia's latest attempt at a fifth-generation fighter. Developed by Sukhoi, it had its first flight in 2010 and joined the Russian Air Force in 2020. New line. Part 2, Design and Stealth. New line. Radar profile comparison of both jets. New line. The F-22 is specifically designed for stealth. Its radar cross-section is roughly the size of a golf ball, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. 3D modeling of the Su-57. New line. The Su-57 also features stealth characteristics, but its open-engine nozzles and some design choices make it more detectable compared to the F-22. New line. Part 3, Speed and Maneuverability. New line. Both jets flying at supersonic speeds. New line. The F-22 has a top speed of approximately Mach 2.25, 2,414 km per hour, while the Su-57 can reach Mach 2.0, 2,135 km per hour. New line. Mention of supercruise capabilities. New line. The F-22 has true supercruise capability, meaning it can maintain supersonic speeds without using afterburners. The Su-57 is working towards this feature but doesn't fully match the F-22 in this regard. New line. Part 4, Weapons and Combat Capability. New line. Both jets shown with their weapons. New line. The F-22 carries AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles, while the Su-57 is equipped with K-77M and K-74M2 missiles. New line. Comparison of both jets' cannons. New line. The F-22 is armed with an M61A2 Vulcan gun, while the Su-57 has a GSH-30-1 autocannon. Both are deadly in close-range dogfights. New line. Part 5, Avionics and Data Link. New line. Cockpit shots of both jets. New line. The F-22 features advanced data linking and sensor fusion systems, allowing it to detect and engage enemy aircraft before being seen. New line. Su-57's advanced systems mentioned. New line. The Su-57 comes with an advanced AESA radar and a helmet-mounted display system, but its networking capabilities lag behind those of the F-22. New line. Part 6, Who wins in a battle? New line. Animated simulation of a dogfight. New line. If an F-22 and Su-57 were to face off, the F-22's superior stealth and advanced sensors would allow it to detect and strike first. However, the Su-57's superior maneuverability could give it an edge in close-range combat. New line. Final analysis. New line. The F-22 Raptor is the better stealth and air superiority fighter, while the Su-57 is designed for more flexible, multi-role missions. The outcome of a battle would depend on pilot skill, strategy, and circumstances. New line. So, what do you think? Which is the better jet, the F-22 or the Su-57? Let us know in the comments. New line. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.